So guys, in this video we're going to kitbash some Ork Spellcrow parts with some Ork 40k Stormboyz parts. So I've chosen some little bits that I wanted to kitbash. For example, we're going to use the sergeant's head here, like the knob's head here from the Ork Blitzkrieg head with goggles. I think that'll be good for the sergeants in this army, the captain. We're going to use some of the Spellcrow Ork Storm Flying Squadron head version 2. We've got the version 1s as well. And we've got some Ork hands with close combat weapons as well. So let's get these out first. We only need one for now. So let's just clip these out. I'm just going to use the one for now. So I'm not going to be prepping these at all. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to clip them out a little bit, place them, see what ones I want to use. We want to use the version 2 flying heads as well. So we're going to use 2 of these. I think we'll use... I'm not a fan of the goggles over the eyes, so we'll use him. And we'll use him. Then we got the version Ork Storm Flying Squadron version 1. And again, this is what they look like. I think I'm going to go for this head and this head. So just pop it under the chin, clip, and clip. Clips off pretty well, pretty easy. Let's see if these fit on. That's what he will look like when we get into focus. We get some super glue here to cut the knobbing off here. Use this. A little dab on the end. Pop this head on. Seems like a little snug fit. That's a positive. And like I said, I'm not that experienced with resin. Doesn't seem to want to stick on. I thought you had to use super glue resin. I'm just going to leave them at that for now. I think that's set. Next guy, we'll use this dude. Saying about sorting them out. Note to self, probably isn't wise to spray your miniatures before you glue them, because it does affect the bond. So I think this head is designed for more of a knob neck. Too big, but the beauty of using super glue, I can throw them in the freezer and it'll crack the bond. So guys, I've let all these dry, and that's what they're looking like now, the heads. So with this guy, he's going to act as my knob at the moment, which, as we all know, a Ork knob is the leader of each pack or squadron. So with him, we're going to use the Ork claws, right-handed claws. So I shall snip these out. And literally, there's not really much cleanup to do on these. I'm really impressed. And I'm holding my thumb right next to it and clipping because I don't want to ruin, or I don't want this to snap. But there's a little bit of tidying up to do there, but as you know, if that's glued in there like that, you're not going to be able to tell, are you? If that's glued in like that, unless someone's being really finicky and looking, you're not going to really see, are you? I think he's going to look pretty cool with his power claw there. I'll do it facing down, I think. So he's going to have that, and then he's going to have obviously a shooter. So we'll go back to the actual sprue itself. So we need a right-handed shooter. So we'll use that one on him. And then the other guys, we've got some of these orc hands with close combat weapons. So what we've got here, we've got some little pickets there, little pickaxe thing there, nice little shiv there, axe. I like that dagger upside down, so we're going to use that dagger upside down. So you know what we're going to do, we're going to clip it off the sprue first, clip that off there, so it's easy to deal with, clip that off there, so I'm going to use that one. Do like this as well, so I'll clip it off there and there. These are exactly the same, aren't they? So I'll pop it in the box for now. I've got some metal pipe as well here, so a makeshift weapon. So use them three. And I don't want every single one to have, you know, a piece of spellcrow on it. That's not really necessary. Sorry guys, I'm trying to look through the lens here. I'm not sure whether I've clipped it off incorrectly there, but oh well, that'll do. We've got this little shivvy weapon here, so I'm just going to cut a little bit off bit by bit so we don't lose or ruin the actual model itself. That's it. Through it again. There's hardly any cleanup to be done there, if none at all, to be honest. I'll do that, I might have to file that down a slight touch. And then this guy here, I'll just do that skin to skin. Sorted. So that's that. So we need, that's him. I'll probably glue one of them on. There's no need to show you all of them, is there? So we can have that one, you can have that one, and then we want some left-handed shooters again, so we'll just use this guy on here. They're all left-handed weapons, aren't they? Just that. I'll probably just clean up all these now. With cutting, you can have some stick bombs and can't you can have a stick bomb here. Not being overly finicky with this, guys. And we need another shooter for him, don't we? You can have some stick bombs. And you know the good thing about this, guys, is all these spare weapons and these spare heads can be used for my orc boys now to, you know, kitbash them, make them look a bit more unique and characterful. So when I come back, these will all be glued on. It should be dry, and we'll be able to see what they look like up to now. So guys, these are all glued together now, they're all assembled, and as we can see, each individual miniature looks completely different. And if we get this into the shot, you know, they're completely different compared to these as well. I'm not saying that these look bad, they look very, very good. But what I'm saying is, he can easily be identified as a knob with a power claw, and he's virtually just a normal Ork Stormboy. Now, one thing I do need to do in the future is buy some accelerator so the super glue bonds with the plastic a lot quicker. It'll save me messing around. But I'm really impressed with these. These have provided these miniatures with a lot more character, and with squads being of 30 odd, 20 odd, you can distinguish them a little bit better and not just going to look all the same. So guys, let me know what you think. If you think they look good, give us a little shout. If you don't, let me know why. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll see you soon. Alright guys, nice one.